Hey, how you doing, guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace a tire rod. This is our tire rod over here, alright, and very simple. All we gotta do is lose this nut a little bit, alright, and then we're gonna take off this one. And after we love this one, we're gonna hit this part with the well, I'm gonna use a muzzle, a 4 pound muzzle. You can have you can use a hammer, whatever you have. Here's the new one. This is what we're gonna replace. It goes like this. Alright, so you can use either a wrench like this, a 7/8 or 22. What I like to use is this one. This is my favorite wrench to remove these things. Right, I already did the other side, and well, this is like probably my fifth time that I removed this thing, a tire rod, and honestly, this key is very good to do this. All you gotta do is like I told you, remove this thing. Before you remove this nut over here, you want to lose this one. Okay, so I'm gonna lose it a little bit. Alright, if you see, it's loose, but I'm gonna bring it back. Okay, I know it's loose, so what I'm gonna do now is bring it back the same what it was. Alright, and I'm gonna leave it like that. Now with a 19mm, I'm gonna lose this one. 19 or 21? I think it's 21. Let me get the 21. The socket 21. I got it over here. Yep, that's it, the 21. I'm gonna be using my impact, but you can use a wrench. I mean ratchet. Yeah. Alright, it's out. Alright, what I'm gonna do now is hit it with the hammer over here. Because if you see, we're not able to take it. I would hit it. Alright, it's out. Now what we're gonna do, we don't have to count the turns and all that stuff, you know. You can do that, and but I don't like to do that. All I'm gonna do is, if you see, and the first thing I did, I lose it and then I put it back on it, so I didn't lose the alignment. But you have to take it anyways to their shop to do the alignment. All right. Anyways, because you're replacing it, so you're gonna it's not gonna be the same. So with this procedure, you can drive it like that. If you lose your alignment, it's okay. You can be driving like that for maybe a couple days, but you have to take it anyways to do the alignment. Alright, so now I'm gonna hold it. Let's see. I'm just gonna lose it a little bit. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna put this back. People normally count the turns. Like if you see, it was like this. So they go like 1 turn, 2 turns, 3 turns, 4 turns, and then when you put the new one, you just count the turn. Whatever you count. Like normally, you count like probably like 16, 8 to 20 turns. So this you try to do the same one with the new one, but then you have to work on this thing too. So it's a little weird, but I think this procedure, the one I'm doing, I think is the best thing. I mean, not the best, but I think it works. We're gonna go all the way in. There you go. All right. When I was losing this thing, the whole thing turned, so I don't have any problems. The whole thing is gonna twist to put this in place. Right? There you go. We're gonna put this boy over here. Oye, puedes usar este o este, no importa. Este es mejor. Right, so this one is 21. So right, you gotta make sure it's tight, nice and tight. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tie this a little bit, right? Just a little. Make sure thing is beautiful right there. Like I tell you, you have to take your car to the alignment anyway. So whatever you do, you have to take it. Alright, I hope you like this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.